Here's a in detail video of where I'm staying. Alright, this is a Villa 502 and it's off the beaten path, which I like. So I'm going to come around down to my first floor. Of course I had the lounge chairs here. Nice ceiling fan and lights. Sitting table. And this you'll love. It's an infinity pool with a jacuzzi at the end. Here's my outside shower. And here is my infinity pool. So let's start. Start it right. So it's 1, 2. She showed me right. 1, 2. I think I'm doing it right. My fault. So it's 1 to start and 2 to stop. And a nice little swing. Yeah. Why not? Yes. The kid in me is here. Alright, so here we have mini bar. Nothing new, but some things to know. Everything in there is free. Excuse the raggedness, I had to fight around these chairs. Here's the wine they have in there. What's in there, I don't know. I don't drink wine. Let's see if we can zoom in. So, bottle of gin. And wine. Both of those are free of charge. Can't wait to see what this looks like at night. Alright, so here we head up to the main room. And this is how it looks from here. Okay, nice and cool in here. All right, let's start with the second mini bar here. Everything you see there, again free. With that, nice giant screen. Have your internet iPad there that they provide for you. Now let's check this out. This is something unique here. I like. This is our this is my balcony. And here is my infinity pool. Right. Come back in. Get this door closed. I want to invite the bugs in with me. Here's the bed, air conditioning, fan as you can see. Come around. Here is a nice, this is the oil diffuser. I haven't turned it on yet, but I will. Got a nice lights there, and of course air conditioning fan remote. This is a very unusual bathtub. Would you like it? I love this. This rustic style. I just love this. And if you want, you know, we got steam so much over, you can open these and they push out. Enter over into the bathroom area. Right. That is pretty thick. Here is the shower. That is the drain over there, all those things. And the floor is slanted. And just in this area, it's slanted, so the water runs there. The thing is that. Then you have the hand shower, but it is a rain shower. Of course, you shampoo and body wash. Toilet. And here's the final end of the tour. Right. Here's your yoga mat. They have classes for yoga. Of course, I will not be attending that. I know some people would like that. They have 2 classes that you're free to attend. I think it's a 7 and a 1, something like that. I'm sorry for the people who love yoga. I zoned out, you know, when you were mentioning the times. However, something I can't show you now. Maybe I have to get my other phone and do it. You download an app. So I like this view here up there, balcony. However, you download an app that has all the amenities and classes and, you know, schedules for your dinner, your food, your, you know, activities, where to go. Has a map on all the different places, activities, and what times and everything is available. This was really, 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 really well thought out and pretty cool. And for me, this is a treat to myself. From all of my booking and on my TRVL website, that's my own personal site. I'm with the Travel Club, as we all know. And from the perks, all the perks that they give me from booking all, you know, so much stuff on the site, this, my next few days, it's free. That's it for me. That is over $900 savings. $900 savings.